Good morning, children. In our class, we are going to learn about work today. What is work? In our daily life, day-to-day our life, we are doing many physical activity. For example, children, when you come to school, what will you do when your teacher enter into your classroom? Yes, all of you stand up and say good morning, isn't it? Um, then what did the teacher do, say to you? The teacher asked you to, good morning children, sit down. Isn't it? Likewise, in our life we are doing many physical activity. For example, look here, what is the boy doing? The boy is, what is the boy doing, ma'am? The boy is planting. What is the boy doing? The boy is planting tree. You also, children, plant many trees. That is important for our essential life, isn't it? The trees gives life to us. Look, this children. What is the man doing? The man is plucking the vegetables. What is the man doing? The man is plucking the vegetables. Next one. What is the deer doing? You look. The deers are grazing. What is the deer was doing? The deer grazing the field. What is the girl doing? Look this picture. What is the girl doing? The girl is painting. What is the girl doing? The girl is painting the picture. Look here. What are the boys doing? Yes, the boys is taking bath. Okay, the boy is taking bath. The boys are bathing. Okay, look here, children. The woman sitting on the ground, she keeps vegetables, isn't it? To earn money. She keep the vegetables here and sold the vegetables to get money. So the woman keeps the vegetables. The woman keeping the vegetables. Look here. What is the girls doing? The girls are running. The girls are running. Look here. You look beautiful scenery. This is, isn't it? You look. What is the elephant doing? The elephant is drinking. It feels very thirsty, isn't it? So it is drinking water. What is the girl doing? You see the picture. Yes, the girl is drawing the picture. Look here, children. Who is this? Yes, you know all him. You know all him, isn't it? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, what is she doing? What is he doing? He is speaking. What is he doing? He is speaking. Okay, children. What is the girl doing? What are the girls doing? The girl is playing. What is the girl doing? The girls are playing. Okay, children, what is this? What is this? It is the monkey. What is the monkey doing? What is the monkey doing? The monkey is climbing the tree. You don't climb the tree, okay? Look here. What is this? It is the computer. They are typing. What is he doing? He is typing in the computer. He is typing. Okay, children. The girl is cleaning. The girl is cleaning her house. The girl is cleaning her house. Look this girl. How does she feel? She feel very sad like you. You see, you feel sad, isn't it? If your mummy ask you to do any work, you feel very sad, isn't it? Like you, the girls also feel very sad to clean her house. Okay? What is the teacher doing? You all know this, isn't it? What is the teacher doing? The teacher is teaching the lesson. What is the teacher doing? The teacher is teaching the lesson. What is, see, look this picture. What is her mother doing? Yes, the mother is pinching her ears, isn't it? When you do a wrong things, your parents also do like this. Here, what is he doing? What is she doing? She is breathing, isn't it? Yes, breathing is very important to our life, isn't it? So, look here, the woman is breathing. Look here, the stick. Here, the stick and the drum in this picture you can see, isn't it? What is the stick doing? The stick is beating the drum. When you do wrong things, your mother will beat you, isn't it? So, the stick is beating the drum. It is beating. Okay, children, look at this picture. The elephant is running across the railway crossing, isn't it? So, all the passengers in the train, they stop the train to save the elephant. They're stopping the train. Then look the another verb. What are they doing? They are praying. What are they doing? They are praying. Look at this picture. What is the boy carrying? What is the boy doing? The boy is carrying the laptop. Look here. What is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is hopping. What does the rabbit do? The rabbit hopping. Okay, children. What is the woman is doing? What is the woman is doing? The woman is buying the vegetables. What is the woman doing? The woman is buying the vegetables. Look this picture. Anyone, we don't know who is pouring this water. Isn't it? Pouring water is pouring an oil into the vessel. It is called pouring. Look here, children. You all know to ride a bicycle. Look here, the girl is riding a bicycle. She asked the boy, hold it tightly, otherwise I will fall down. The girl is saying the boy to hold tightly the cycle. Okay, children, what does this picture shows? The mother is cooking. You know all this, isn't it? You are all mother. We cook in our home. So it is called cooking. See how beautiful the swan is. It is swimming. Look here, the children is crawling. Look here, this boy is pushing the ball. The boy is pushing the ball. Look here, there are 3 parrots. So, look here, what are the parrots doing? The parrot is flying. What is the parrot doing? The parrot is flying around the tree. The parrot is flying around the tree. Look here, what is the boy doing? The boy is bending to pick someone which is on the floor, isn't it? The boy is bending. And look here, see, they are saying someone to his ears, to their ears, isn't it? It is called whispering. When you say something to others, in her ears. In their ears, it is called whispering. See, what is the boy doing? The boy is kneeling. What is the boy doing? The boy is kneeling. When you didn't finish your homework, what do your miss do? Your miss asked to kneel down, isn't it? That I will do mostly in your class, you already know. Next, what is the girl doing? You see, the girl is breaking the stone. What is the girl doing? The girl is breaking the stone. Look here. What is the cat doing? The cat is looking someone. What is the cat doing? The cat is doing. The cat is looking someone. Look here. See in this picture, the two hands. In the middle, the earth. What does the picture means? The two hands are saving the earth. What are the two hands doing? The two hands are saving the earth. Look, this girl. The girl is drinking juice, isn't it? When you go to juice stall, what will we do? We will drink juice by using this straw. Okay. When we drink by using straw, it is called sucking. What is it is called? It is called sucking. Okay, children. What is the boy doing? The boy is counting anyone which is on the floor, isn't it? The toys are on the floor. The boy is counting. What does these boys do? It is jumping. What does the boy do? The boy is jumping. Look here. What is the mother doing? The mother is hugging her child. What is the mother doing? The mother is hugging her child. See, look at this picture. What is the boy doing? The boy is crossing the road. What is the boy doing? The boy is crossing the road. Look here. What is the girl doing? The girl is dancing. What is the girl doing? The girl is dancing. Look here. What is the girl doing? The girl is lighting the lamp. What is the girl doing? The girl is lighting the lamp. Okay, children. We are seeing many verbs, isn't it, today? Don't forget this. You study at your home and go through this lesson again. Okay, children? This verb is very easy to learn because verb is a action word, isn't it? Verb is an action word that we do many words in our home. Okay, children? We see other chapter in the next class. Thank you.